Good afternoon, graduates, families, friends, and faculty. It's an honor to be standing before you today, sharing my journey, my insights, and my heartfelt congratulations on this momentous occasion for everyone. In 1993, I stood where you are now, filled with a mixture of excitement and uncertainty. Completing my master's degree in engineering business management at Warwick was really transformational, taking me from an engineer to an engineering leader. This educational journey was not just about acquiring knowledge, it was about discovering my potential, developing leadership skills, and understanding the immense impact we can have when we work collectively and constructively together. The friendships and professional connections I forged during this time became the bedrock of my career and gave me the confidence and drive to work at an international level. Following my time at Warwick, I started my career in the automotive sector in the West Midlands. As a passionate and enthusiastic graduate, I was keen to learn from my peers and gain experience. It was in this role in my early 20s I had my first breakthrough. A new quality initiative was being rolled out in my company, and despite my early years, I felt passionately that it would not work for the company. My boss supported me in presenting my views to the board. Imagine that, a flip chart, a presentation of my views, and ultimately demonstrating an alternative solution. Taking that risk paid off. They listened, considered, and gave me the opportunity to prove my theory. Thankfully, all worked out and led to a promotion, but also instilled in me the confidence to challenge the status quo. This experience taught me the importance of believing in oneself and the power of taking calculated risks. A few years later, I had the opportunity to join BMW Group as chief engineer and moved to Munich in Germany, an opportunity I seized with both hands. 3 years later from Munich, I returned to the UK and joined Land Rover as the chief engineer of the powertrain engineering division. Then in 2001, I moved to Ford Motor Company, a career that spanned 20 years of my life, initially in North America, where I led powertrain research and advanced engineering, before being appointed Ford's powertrain chief in Europe, then global director of engineering operations, and finally in 2018, I was appointed executive chair of Ford UK. As I look back on my career, there have been many opportunities, highlights, and moments that stand out to me. I think the proudest moment of my career actually happened in 2021 during the COVID-19 pandemic. It was during my time working with Ford. Scientific modelling had stated that the crisis that the NHS faced was monumental, and we were going to run out of ventilators. So the government launched the Ventilator Challenge and presented a call to arms to all of British industry to step forward and produce a new design or scale up existing designs of ventilators in the UK. The government strategy involved us evaluating and then implementing new technology rapidly. We offered our support and led a consortium of organisations to collaboratively work together to develop a new ventilator system and build manufacturing sites capable of producing 12,000 ventilators, and we did that all within 105 days. This monumental task was only possible through collaboration, agility, and a clear sense of purpose. Together, we delivered a solution that had profound impact on society, saving countless lives and showing the true power of collective effort. Interestingly, today marks another special occasion and a moment of reflection of the importance of investing in skills for the future. During my time at Ford, I helped launch a comprehensive reskilling program aimed at embedding a learning culture within the company. We worked to promote learning at all levels. I'm pleased to share that the first cohort of this MSc program is amongst us and graduating today. Well done to all of those. For me, this experience underscores a valuable lesson that meaningful projects and significant achievements don't happen overnight. Rome wasn't built in a day. Real impact requires long-term vision and persistent efforts. I've always believed in using the power of engineering to cause a positive impact. I'm passionate about following a North Star and have continued to use my experience, connections, knowledge, and passion for technology to engage in meaningful work. In 2023, I joined the Manufacturing Technology Centre as CEO. The MTC is one of the UK's catapult centres, an organisation in part funded by the UK government, which connects academic researchers and industry to build innovative networks to help drive collaboration in advanced manufacturing. It's a sister centre to WMG here at Warwick, at the University of Warwick. This was a return home also for me to the West Midlands, and I'm honoured to join such a driven and enigmatic team of professionals who together are united in solving some of society's most challenging problems through delivery of innovative cross-sector sustainable manufacturing technologies, very much helping to propel Britain towards its ambition of being a science superpower. Throughout my career, a few key attitudes have really served me well. See problems as opportunities. Every challenge is a chance to innovate and grow. Take risks and believe in yourself, believe in your abilities. When you have confidence in yourself, others will too. To the graduates, I say, don't overly structure your career plan going forward. Understand what motivates you, what your values are, and be open to opportunities and detours along the way. Find your North Star, engage in work that makes a difference. Cultivating enduring friendships and networks is critical to your journey ahead. The relationships you build today will support you throughout your career. The ventilator project I mentioned earlier was only possible because of the network I had developed throughout my career and through the alumni at the University of Warwick. Cherish these connections. They are invaluable for your future. Finally, remember that resilience is key. Life will knock you down, but it's your ability to pick yourself up after every fall that defines your greatness. Embrace resilience as your greatest ally on this journey. So in closing, graduates, as you step into this new chapter of your lives, carry these lessons with you. Believe in yourselves, embrace opportunities, and never underestimate the power of collaboration. Congratulations, class of 2024. The world awaits your brilliance. Thank you.